Hi, I'm Ryan. Today I'm going to share with you ways of cooking real easy and perfect brown rice every single time. Brown rice is a form of whole grain which contains your fiber and various antioxidants. For more information on whole grain, you can log on to HPB Online. So let us begin.
Now I'm going to cook 1 cup of brown rice. Rinse the rice. Then add in 3 cups of water. Put on high mode for 20 minutes. Remove the bowl from the microwave. And stir with a spoon. Return to microwave for another 10 minutes on high. Remove the bowl from the microwave. And fluff up the rice. Leave the rice to cook further itself and absorb any remaining water. This will make up to 2 cups of cooked brown rice.
So this brings us to the end of our brown rice cooking demonstration. We hope you have enjoyed our videos and remember to eat healthily. For more nutritional updates, please log on to our blog site. I'm Dietitian Ryan and see you next time.